Use AI as a tool, not just a crutch, is a very popular quote to summarize the usage of AI in today's world. Greetings everyone, my name is Fauzan Irawan Putra, and in this opportunity, I will be presenting to you artificial intelligence in business. First of all, let's talk about AI in business as a major trend in 2026. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the capability of computational systems to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perceptions, and decision making. And the development and evolution of artificial intelligence makes it a standard tool in business. That is an essential part of how company operates, grows, competes in today's digital era. Because without using AI, you will get left behind by your competition and the time itself. This is the graph of number of companies using AI globally. Let's talk about in the beginning of the release of AI in 2017. In 2017, only about 20% of companies use AI. This number indicates that in the beginning of AI release, people underestimate it because they just think that AI is just another digital tool that will waste your money and time in using it. But this changed in 2026 because by 2026 this number rises sharply or even skyrocketing to 96%, showing almost universal adoption. This number indicates that almost every business used AI in their operation. This shows that now AI is a reliable tool that we can use in operating the business. The fastest growth happened around the 2022 until 2023, reaching over 30% of year-over-year growth. In this particular year, people seem to realize that we have to use AI. AI is a mandatory tool to use to compete in this era. After that, growth slows down to around 9 until 11%. The number fall from 33% until 9% because in this time, the majority of company already use AI and they are adapting to it. They are finding the better way to use AI. They are finding the better area to use AI. That's why even though growth slows down, the total usage keeps increasing. And this is the diagram of AI usage in business. AI or AI trends for business transformation. At first is AI and cloud adoption. People no longer store their data on their computer or in their drive, but they use cloud adoption because it is a safer way to store data and cheaper way to store data. The second one is voice and language driven AI. You will see on the internet or advertisement that many of company use AI voice in their advertisement. This is because the using AI voice is much cheaper than using real people voice. Even though this is not fully positive things to use, but in business, the cheaper way to do is almost every time the better way to do. The third one is AI and cybersecurity. In today's world, people seems to be more and more intelligent in using computing system. The rising of cyber threats is a real thing that people start to use AI in their cybersecurity. That's why AI is not just a computing things to use, but even we use AI in cybersecurity in a bigger computing things in our life. And the fourth one is AI and customer service digitization. With the use of AI voice and language, We are entering a new era of customer service because in this era, many companies use AI as their customer service. AI as a customer service allows company to maintain their service 24 per hour, 24 per 7, or every time, every minute, every seconds, a customer can reach the company service every time. The number 5, AI for digital business automation. Digital business automation means that AI can run the business on themselves. For example, in human resource works, AI can filter job application on their own self. People no longer need to filter the job application on themselves, but AI can do it. The last one is AI for IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. The meaning of AI for Internet of Things is AI is not only data collection anymore. In number 1, AI and cloud adoption means that AI is used for data collection, but AI for IoT is already a smart functioning things. For example, in manufacturing, AI is used to monitor the maintenance of the machines. In using data from internet, AI can monitor the machines. They can they can tell the company when we have to maintain, when we have to service, when we have to repair the machines. As a result, the cost of maintenance will become less and less over the time. In conclusion, in conclusion, AI in 2026 is a key driver of business transformation. Almost all companies are adopting it, and its application continue to expand across different sectors. Companies that successfully use AI will have a competition advantage, while those that do not may fall behind. Once again, my name is Fauzan Irawan Putra, and thank you for your nice attention.